Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Chriselle, and today guys we're going to be doing our July Boxycharm unboxing. And as you can see, this is a makeup look we created today with the products that came inside. So yeah, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Woo! Okay guys, so let's get started with today's Boxycharm unboxing. I have the box here in front of me. So yeah, let's get started and see what products come inside. So the first thing inside, it's the card. It's folded. I don't know if you guys, oh my god, but yeah. So here's how the card looks like, and on the back, it has some coupons. One is for Wonder Beauty. It's 20% off using code WonderCharm07. And the next one is for pharmacy, 20% off your next purchase on pharmacybeauty.com. Use code CHARM20. So these are the coupons. Okay, so let's open it up. Oh, it looks cool. Okay, so the theme for this month is road tripping. And it has the boxy babes on the bottom, which look really pretty. Oh my god, they look so freaking pretty. Let me show you guys. Look at this picture. Aren't they gorgeous? I don't know if you guys can tell because the lighting's really bad. But yeah, they look gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god, okay. Let's get started with the first products. So the first thing inside is the Needles No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel from Dr. Brand. It looks like this. Okay, and then in the card it says, say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful. Rested looking eyes with Dr. Brand's No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel. Formulated with biomimetic or something like that technology, peptides and botanical extracts. You are guaranteed visibly reduced under eye bags and dark circles. Okay, and this retails for $42, guys. Oh my god, this is so freaking expensive. Hopefully it works. So it says to put it directly on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup. For best results, let dry in between applications. Reapply as needed. For how long do you have to leave this for? Okay guys, it doesn't tell you for how long you have to leave it, so I'm gonna apply it and then leave it for 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna be telling you my final thoughts. Is that how you open it? I don't know. Oh my god. Okay, so that looks so freaking cool. So it looks orange, guys. It doesn't look like a normal cream. It looks orange. So let's try it out. Okay, so I'll put some on my... So this product actually feels really sticky and it's really thick. Like once you put it in your eye, it's really difficult to smear. So yeah, just be careful with that. Okay, so like I said before, I'm gonna leave it for 20 minutes and then I'll be right back to tell you my final thoughts. Okay, yeah. Okay guys, so yeah, it's been 25 minutes and I don't see a difference. Just kidding. So I don't see a difference. I don't see a difference, guys. Do you guys see a difference? Because I don't. Like, I think maybe you have to use after a few times you actually see a difference. But for me, for the first time using it, I don't really see a difference. So I don't know if this product is a thumbs up or a thumbs down, because like I said, maybe it works miracles, but after using it several times, you know. So we're gonna keep trying it out and see how we like it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be doing my face off camera and I'll be right back to finish the rest of the products. Okay guys, so I'm back. Now we're gonna move on to the rest of the products. The next thing I see in here is the Sheila Tantalizing Top Eyebrow Cream. Is it an eyebrow pencil? Don't tell me it's an eyebrow pencil because I already did my brows. Don't tell me. Oh my god. It is an eyebrow pencil. Damn it! Why did I see this? Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Should I take my eyebrows off? Sounds so weird. Should I take my eyebrows off? What should I do? Damn it. Or should I just put it on top? No, that's not gonna be fair, right? Damn it. Okay. Okay, we gotta chill. Everything goes okay. Let me read you guys the thing. So it's the Sheila Beauty Eyebrow Cream. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and charts your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The Velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and all night. And this eyebrow cream retails for $26, guys. So yeah, what I'm actually gonna do is take my eyebrows off, and then I'll be right back to test that product. Okay, so we're back with no brows. I look so freaking weird. I look like a ghost or something. Oh my god, I don't look good. So yeah, we're gonna be using this to do our brows today. So weird. Okay, so I guess we have to put this thing inside here. Drop some product. And if I feel like it's gonna be my color, I think it's gonna be a little bit too light because you know I like some shoulder brows, but I think it's gonna look just fine. Oh, I don't remember this. I don't know how to feel about this product. I feel like it looks really light on my brows. I thought it was gonna be darker, like a darker brown, but it's actually like a really light brown. Let me see if I can do like here, like strokes for the front. Well, I mean, what can I say about this product? It's a so-so for me. Like, it's not like something out of this world. Like, my brows look really light. I don't know how I feel about my brows right now. But we're gonna move on. Okay guys, and the next thing that comes in this box is this product right here. It says it's the Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher, designed to work for all skin types. This luminous paraben free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil infused formula. The built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact a 3-in-1 treat, perfect for the charmer on the go. Okay, so that's actually pretty cool. And it retails for $11.99. And I don't know if this blush is gonna be like a highlight, like you know those blushes that look like highlights. So because I already put some highlight on as well, because I thought it was gonna be like a normal blush. Like, how was I supposed to know it was gonna be luminous? But we're still gonna try it out and see. Oh, and it comes in the color Desert Rose, and it looks like this. Okay, so it's a really nice color, guys. It's like a peachy color. So freaking pretty. So, and it doesn't look luminous. I don't know why I said it was gonna be luminous, because it looks like a really matte blush. I don't know, but it looks like this. I like that it has a mirror. Like, oh my god. Oh, there's my camera. The only thing I don't like about this blush, guys, it's that it's really bulky. Like, look at this. It's super thick and like super big, and the blush, it's like super small. Look at that. It's like small. So we're actually gonna be trying the brush with the blush today. So a lot of kick-ups comes up. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see. So there's a lot of kick-ups. Oh my god, no, I don't like this brush. But it's really pigmented. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that make my cheek a lot better? My cheeks look a lot better with this blush. So pretty. So I actually do like this blush, guys. The only thing, like I said, it's really bulky, and this thing doesn't work. I don't like it. I didn't like this at all. So this is actually going in the trash. Who uses this thing? So what? Okay guys, so the next thing I see in here is this mascara. Okay, so it says, these award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights. Literally. The Lash Mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. And this mascara, guys, retails for $24. But before we actually use this mascara, we're going to move on to the last product, which is the most exciting thing in here. And it's a palette. It's so cool that they think about everything. Like, I like when brands actually use this kind of wrapping paper, because they actually don't want the palette to crack. So hopefully the mascara is Gucci. I mean, the palette's Gucci. Since we don't have any scissors, we're using our teeth today. So this is the Crown Brush Fuego Eyeshadow Collection, made up of rich, warm tone shades. This creamy, high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite, flawless eye looks. The 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades, making this the palette for all your glam goals. And this palette retails for $29, guys. So let's open this baby up. I feel, guys, like I'm gonna love this palette. Not to tell you. And I think I haven't even seen it. I haven't even opened it. I haven't even swatched it. But I feel like this is going to be a really good palette. Like, you know, I've told you this a lot of times, but reds and oranges are my cup of tea. So, and it's really pretty, guys. Look, it's like gold, and it has like gold over here. So it's really nice. Oh my god, no. No. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, you know what, guys? Leslie is gonna be so freaking jealous. She loves this kind of colors too. So I know she's gonna love this palette too. She always uses my makeup, so she's gonna be using it as well. So, yeah. But this palette is so freaking pretty. Let me show you guys. Oh my god. Yes. These shadows are so freaking pretty. It's so freaking pretty. I like how people make fun of me for saying so freaking pretty. I guess I look so nice on them. But yeah, these are the eyeshadows right here. Let me swatch them for you guys. Okay guys, so here are the swatches. I'm sorry that I started here, then went this way, and then I didn't have no more space. I had to put the last 3 colors over here. But yeah, here are the swatches. The colors are really nice, guys. Just being honest here. They're so creamy and so pigmented that, oh my god. But we'll have to see how they perform on the eyes. Okay guys, so let's get started with the makeup look. The first shade I'm going to be grabbing is this color right here. And we're going to be using that as a transition color. And I'm just going to grab this big fluffy green brush. It's from Molly. We're going to use this color. Like I said, as a transition color. Oh my god, this color is so pretty. And it's so pigmented. Okay guys, now I'm going to be using this orange shade right here. And we're going to be putting it on the crease as well. But not as blended out as the other color. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's so pigmented. It's so pretty. Next color we're going to be grabbing is this shade right here. This like maroon color. And I'm going to be taking my Vice brush. Taking this fluffy side. And we're going to put it in our crease as well. To be honest, I don't have zero idea what I'm going for, what kind of look I'm going for, but I'm just winging it, and hopefully something decent comes out. After a lot of thinking, I think I'm gonna be using this color and putting it all over my lid, and I'm just using the other side of the Vice brush. Oh my god, that color is so pretty. Why you gotta do this to me? Why you gotta be so freaking pretty? Now we're going to be taking that dark brown shade with the same brush. We're actually taking the fluffy side again. And we're just putting it on the outer V. Just so it looks a little more smoky. And then taking that green fluffy brush and just blending everything together. Just so we don't have harsh lines. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go put some eyeliner, eyelashes, and lipstick on, and I'll be right back to test the mascara. Okay guys, so I'm back, and I'm back to test out the mascara. That's the last thing we have to test out. And I know I already have eyelashes on, but I don't have mascara on the bottom. So I'm actually gonna use the mascara to blend my real lashes with the fake lashes. Okay guys, so that's all the products that come inside the Boxycharm. I know that you're gonna be like, okay Grisel, so is the Boxycharm worth it? And I'm gonna tell you guys this every single time. This box, guys, is so freaking worth it. It's only $21 guys. And every single month the box is so freaking good. Like, you get products that, oh my god, that you're actually gonna like and that you're actually gonna use, you know? So yeah, this box is totally worth it. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, bye guys, love you. I don't know if you guys can hear this adulta coming. Oh my god, I'm just trying to film here. Oh my god, I'm sweating so bad. Like, look at my forehead. I have like, oh, it's because I cannot turn the air on because it's gonna, you're gonna be able to hear it in the video. So that's what I do for you guys. I'm dying of heat stroke, and then, but I'm still doing it for you guys. Ah, ya, por favor, no pasen, ruta. And I'm sweating my balls off. If only I had balls. don't see a difference. Oh my god, stop talking to me. Anyways. Oh my god, is there a lot of people in the background? That's so embarrassing. Oh my god, why you guys gonna keep texting me? Don't you know I'm filming? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay guys, so does it tell you for how long?